Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to explore the best scenic areas in Tanzania. From vast savannas teeming with wildlife to towering mountains and pristine beaches, Tanzania has something to offer every nature enthusiast. In this video, we'll be showcasing 5 must-see destinations that will leave you in awe. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on an unforgettable virtual adventure through the heart of Africa. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video, where we'll ask you to share some of your travel dreams with us. First up, we're venturing into the iconic Serengeti National Park, a vast and untamed wilderness that embodies the true spirit of Africa. Imagine yourself standing on the edge of an endless plain, the golden grass swaying gently in the breeze. As far as the eye can see, herds of wildebeest stretch across the horizon, their hooves kicking up dust as they migrate across the Serengeti. This annual spectacle, known as the Great Migration, is one of nature's most awe-inspiring events, with millions of animals embarking on a perilous journey in search of fresh grazing lands. The Serengeti is home to an astonishing diversity of wildlife, including lions, elephants, giraffes, zebras, and countless other species. Picture yourself cruising through the park in an open-top jeep, the sun warming your skin as you witness these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. You might spot a pride of lions lounging in the shade, their powerful bodies radiating an aura of regal indifference. Or perhaps you'll encounter a herd of elephants lumbering across the savannah, their sheer size and power leaving you breathless. The Serengeti is a photographer's paradise, with every turn offering a new opportunity to capture the beauty and wonder of the African wilderness. Imagine yourself rising before dawn to catch the soft light of sunrise illuminating the savannah. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the savannah, you witness the Serengeti transform once more. The sky erupts in a symphony of color, from fiery oranges and reds to deep purples and blues. The animals become more active, their silhouettes stark against the vibrant backdrop. The Serengeti is not just a national park, it's a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. From the vast plains of the Serengeti, we ascend to new heights, quite literally, as we make our way to Mount Kilimanjaro, the tallest mountain in Africa and one of the most iconic peaks in the world. Imagine yourself standing at the base of this colossal mountain, its snow-capped summit piercing the clouds above. The sheer scale of Kilimanjaro is enough to make you feel small and insignificant, yet at the same time, it ignites a spark of adventure within you, a desire to conquer this natural wonder and stand atop the roof of Africa. For many, climbing Mount Kilimanjaro is a lifelong dream, a chance to test their limits and experience the exhilaration of reaching the summit of such a challenging peak. There are several routes to choose from, each offering its unique challenges and rewards. You might opt for the popular Machame route, known for its scenic beauty, or perhaps the more challenging Lemosho route, which takes you through remote and less traveled terrain. Imagine yourself trekking through lush rainforests, the air thick with humidity and the sound of exotic birdsong. As you ascend higher, the vegetation changes dramatically, from dense jungle to alpine moorland dotted with strange and wonderful plant life. The air grows thinner, and each step requires more effort, but the breathtaking views keep you motivated. At night, you camp under a canopy of stars, their brilliance magnified by the thin mountain air. And then, after days of grueling hiking, you finally reach the summit. Imagine the sense of accomplishment, the overwhelming feeling of awe as you stand on top of Africa, the world stretching out beneath you in every direction. But climbing Mount Kilimanjaro is not just about the physical challenge. It's a journey of self-discovery, a chance to push your limits and discover a hidden strength you never knew you possessed. So, whether you're an experienced mountaineer or a first-time climber, a journey to Mount Kilimanjaro is an experience that will stay with you long after you've descended back to lower altitudes. Next, we journey to Ngorongoro Crater, a natural wonder often described as the 8th wonder of the world. Imagine standing on the rim of this massive volcanic caldera, its steep walls plunging down to a vast crater floor teeming with life. The Ngorongoro Crater is a unique ecosystem, home to an astonishing concentration of wildlife. It's one of the few places on Earth where you can see the Big Five: lion, elephant, buffalo, leopard, and rhino in a single day. Picture yourself descending into the crater, the walls towering above you, a sense of anticipation building with every turn. The crater floor is a patchwork of grasslands, acacia woodlands, and a shimmering soda lake, each habitat supporting a diverse array of flora and fauna. You might encounter a crash of rhinoceroses wallowing in a mud pool, their massive bodies caked in mud, a natural sunscreen protecting them from the African sun. Or perhaps you'll witness a chase unfold before your very eyes, a pride of lions stalking a herd of zebras, the tension palpable as the predator closes in on its prey. The Ngorongoro Crater is also home to a large population of elephants, their families roaming the grasslands, their young calves playfully chasing each other. But it's not just the large mammals that make Ngorongoro so special. Look closer, and you'll discover a hidden world of smaller creatures, from colorful birds to elusive reptiles and insects. As the sun begins to set, casting long shadows across the crater floor, the animals become more active, preparing for the cool of the night. The Ngorongoro Crater is a place where you can truly connect with the rhythms of nature, where time seems to slow down, and the worries of the world melt away. From the wildlife-rich plains and towering peaks, we now transport ourselves to the tropical paradise of Zanzibar, an archipelago of islands off the coast of Tanzania, renowned for its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and vibrant culture. Imagine yourself stepping onto the soft, white sands of Ngorongoro Beach, the warm Indian Ocean lapping at your feet. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze, their fronds casting dappled shadows on the beach. The air is filled with the scent of salt and spices, a sensory feast that transports you to a world of pure relaxation. Zanzibar is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, each with its unique charm. You might find yourself drawn to the lively atmosphere of Kendwa Beach, where beach bars pulse with music and locals mingle with tourists, sharing stories and laughter. Or perhaps you'll prefer the tranquility of Matemwe Beach, where you can unwind in a hammock under the shade of a palm tree, the sound of the waves lulling you into a state of blissful serenity. But Zanzibar is more than just beaches. Venture beneath the surface of the turquoise waters, and you'll discover a vibrant underwater world teeming with life. Imagine yourself donning a snorkel and mask, diving into the warm embrace of the ocean. Schools of colorful fish dart in and out of coral reefs, their scales shimmering in the sunlight. Back on land, explore the historic Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where ancient alleyways wind through a maze of bustling markets, mosques, and grand Arab mansions. Imagine yourself getting lost in the labyrinthine streets, the air thick with the aroma of spices, incense, and freshly brewed coffee. As the sun begins its descent, casting a warm glow on the ancient buildings, make your way to the waterfront and witness a Zanzibar sunset, the sky ablaze with color as the sun dips below the horizon. Finally, our journey takes us to Lake Victoria, the largest lake in Africa and the source of the mighty Nile River. Imagine yourself standing on the shores of this vast inland sea, its waters stretching out as far as the eye can see, shimmering under the African sun. Lake Victoria is more than just a geographical wonder. It's the lifeblood of millions of people, providing sustenance, transportation, and a way of life for communities that have lived along its shores for centuries. Imagine yourself taking a boat trip across the lake, the gentle rocking of the waves lulling you into a state of tranquility. You pass by fishermen casting their nets, their silhouettes stark against the rising sun, hoping for a bountiful catch to feed their families. You see women washing clothes by the water's edge, their laughter carrying across the still morning air, their brightly colored kangas adding splashes of vibrancy to the landscape. Explore the shores of Lake Victoria, and you'll discover a world of hidden coves and secluded beaches, perfect for swimming, picnicking, or simply relaxing and soaking up the serenity of this special place. Birdwatchers will be in paradise with over 200 species of birds calling Lake Victoria home. Imagine yourself spotting colorful kingfishers diving for fish, majestic fish eagles soaring overhead, or flocks of pelicans gliding gracefully across the water's surface. As the sun begins its descent, prepare to witness one of nature's most spectacular shows, a Lake Victoria sunset. Lake Victoria is a place of immense beauty, cultural significance, and natural wonder. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Tanzania's most scenic spots. From the wildlife-filled plains of the Serengeti to the snow-capped peak of Mount Kilimanjaro, the breathtaking Ngorongoro Crater, the pristine beaches of Zanzibar, and the majestic Lake Victoria, Tanzania has something to offer every traveler. Each of these destinations offers a unique glimpse into the heart of Africa, showcasing its natural wonders, rich culture, and warm hospitality. So start planning your Tanzanian adventure today and experience the magic for yourself. Let us know in the comments which area of the world you'd like us to explore next. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.